Wallis integrals. The Wallis integrals constitute a family of integrals introduced by John Wallis. The formula gives a simple infinite product expansion for pi. So you have this formula, Wallis formula. By symmetry, integral of 0 to pi over 2 cosine in x dx equal to integral of 0 pi over 2 sine in x dx. If n is even, you have the corresponding formula 0 to pi over 2 sine in x dx equal to 1, 3, 5 in minus 1 over 2, 4, 6 in times pi over 2. If n is odd, integral of 0 pi over 2 cosine in x dx equal to 2, 4, 6 in minus 1, 1, 3, and 5.
For 0 pi over 2 sine m x cosine x to the power n dx. If both m and n are not even, equals to m minus 1 times m minus 3 times so forth until 2 or 1. Then for n minus 1 times n minus 3 until 2 or 1 divided by m plus n times m plus n minus 2 times m plus n minus 4 and so forth. If both m and n are even, so this equals to m minus 1 times m minus 3 until 2 or 1 times n minus 1 times n minus 3 until 2 or 1 divided by m plus n times m plus n minus 2, m plus n minus 4 until 2 or 1. The only difference is this one. This one is times 1 for both m and n not even. But for m and n are even times pi over 2.
Evaluate the integral of pi over 2 from 0 sine x dx. So your solution equals to 8 minus 1, 8 minus 3, 8 minus 5, 8 minus 7 over 8 times 8 minus 2, 8 minus 4, 8 minus 6. Stop if m plus n minus 2 equals to 2 or 1. So this one is equals to times pi over 2, or simplify this one, 7 times 5 times 3 times 1 over 8 times 6 times 4 times 2 times pi all over 2. Simplify further, 7 times 15 times pi over 8 times 6 times 8 times 2 or equivalent to 105 pi over 384 times 2 equals to 35 pi over 256. Evaluate integral of pi over 2 from 0 to cosine 4x dx. So your solution using Wallis formula equals to 4 minus 1 times 4 minus 3 over 4 times 4 minus 2, of course pi all over 2 or equivalent to 3, 1 times pi all over 4 times 2 times 2 equals to 3 pi over 16. So number 3, evaluate sine squared beta cosine to the power 6 beta d beta 0 to pi over 2. So your solution using Wallis formula equal to 2 minus 1 times 6 minus 1 times 6 minus 3 6 minus 5 over 8 times 8 minus 2 8 minus 4 8 minus 6 times pi all over 2. Simplify 5 pi over 256. On number 4, evaluate sine to the power 7 theta cosine 5 theta d theta. So solution equals to 7 minus 1, 7 minus 3, 7 minus 5, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 3 over 12, 12 minus 2, 12 minus 4, 12 minus 6, 12 minus 8, 12 minus 10, of course times 1. So this one simplify 6 times 4 times 2 times 4 times 2 over 12 times 10 times 6 times 4 times 2 times 8, of course times 1, equivalent to 1 over 120.